Okay, I just got my Amazon delivery of some lupin pasta, which is very keto friendly. As you can see here, 25 grams of carbs with 18 grams of fiber. So you can deduct that, and it makes it what, a 7 carb hit with 12 grams of protein. So you're not going to find that anywhere else. And then I've got different styles of the penne and also the elbow and the rotini, and this is just a different brand here. I'm gonna try that out as well. And then this little snack, which is good. So I'll do the lupin and make some sort of soup out of it. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I first had these in Ecuador and they were awesome. I had them fresh. And then the lupin flour. So if you wanna dust some fish or chicken or make some gravy that's not out of an almond flour. I got these black soybeans too. I think these are really cool for keto as well. And they are organic. And the nice thing about this too is they have the highest amount of protein of most beans. So if you're looking at this, you're looking at a half a cup being 11 grams of carbs minus the 6. So again, it makes it what, a 4 carb hit with 11 grams of protein. So on a salad or a soup, and you cannot go wrong.